Okay, you guys, welcome to Product Focused Friday. This is going up late because, honestly, I've been just racking my brain on how I want to do this. And it's one of those things where it's like you're sitting there and you're thinking and you have no inspiration. Well, you feel like you have no inspiration, or you feel like you just don't have the energy or the drive to figure it out. And then I realized a couple things. One, I really wanted to finish scrapbooking this page or this picture because this is the last one in like that event. So we are going to do that today. This is my tote of Studio Calico. And so first like light bulb that came on was like, duh, I don't have any 12 by 12 papers in here. But I have this gorgeous 49th and Market rainbow sherbet collection that I'm sure I can gather things and make it all fit together. So that was like light bulb number one. Light bulb number two was nobody said I needed to do 12 by 12 on my Product Focus Fridays. And I have plenty of like smaller pocket pages that are fillers just to finish some of those albums that I could be doing. So why am I not doing that? Duh. So we are going to work on the first Friday, which is embossed stamping, the one I missed, and then the other one is stamp and cut, or create some embellishments using stamps. So I'm gonna go kind of dig through my tote of Studio Calico. I even have some inks that I think we'll play with since they're all Studio Calico. I don't have a ton of stamps. I do have this one alphabet stamp, but I don't know if we'll do anything with it. Maybe we will for the stamp embellishment one. We'll see. Yeah, I don't know about that yet. But I do have all this other good stuff. I do have some stamps, like in a few, like in this kit, there's a stamp and some other things. Not a ton of stamps, but I do have some, so I can look through and see what I can find. And then for the other one, which is stamp, I will do, I have a pocket page I need to work on for my son's school album. So we'll do that. So let me go through and find just some 12 by 12s and what pocket cards and like little kit will work the best for this photo and the sketch that we were going to do. Sketch 12, day 12 for 3 days of sketches by Katherine Ronson. So we're doing that. And yeah, that's where we're at. So I will rummage through this. I've got all my inks out. I'll figure out some embossing, and we'll get this figured out. All right, I'll be back. Okay, I found some 49th and Market things. So I've got these two pieces of paper. The rest of these are cards from Studio Calico. I might cut them in half just so not to waste them. But I wanted to get more of the red in there. And then these are two cards from Studio Calico. So I think I'm going to cut out the apple and this leaf, and then I might try. We'll see. These might be too small. I am going to cut out this leaf though. And then trying to decide what I want to do for stamping. I think, this might seem weird, but I think I'm going to use these carrots as embellishments. So on the sketch, she's got kind of little carrots coming out. I'm guessing the ribbon or twine or something, but I think I'm just gonna stamp and emboss them. It might be kind of fun. I've got Coral Bay Poppy, so those are my two colors I'll use if anything. And then what do I have for here? Mist, I have Blush Crush and Well Red. Ooh. Maybe I'll add a little bit of that to the background. Just that little red, so there's a little more red along with all the orange. All right, I've got all those layers glued together. I spritzed with the Well Red color. Oh, one. Color Theory. Well Red. Mist. Put down my cheese. Tested out the two different inks. Got my leaf and apple cut out. I'm going to sprinkle in some of these Ellie Studio wood veneer leaves as well. I'm gonna glue this apple stem down. But I was able to tuck the back of the card so I can get a little more of that gold kind of shimmering around. We will splatter with some gold when we're done. But I think I'm going to do a combination. Oh yeah, I'm putting 2 tags up here. So I took the rest of what I cut off of the alphabet tag from right there. I'm going to stick it down right here. And I want some of the similar colors, so I'm going to keep that down. But I'm just doing cheese. Oh yeah, I was going to see, is there an exclamation point on here? I don't think there is. Oh, well there are. Are these, oh, these are pigment ink. Put that one up there, closer to the top. Where else can one go? We need one more. Right here. I think we'll stamp 3 carrots and we'll emboss them in gold. Okay, so it inadvertently stuck to some of my pigment, my red, so I'm gonna leave it. So I might leave that, because then some of them are red, some of them are kind of red gold, and some of them are gold. So I'm just leave that like that. I like that. That looks nice. I think I need to add one up there, and I kind of want to just put a dusting of gold on it as well. There, and then you can see it. Oh, I like that. Okay, this is very random, but I am enjoying what's turning out as I'm doing this very random embossing. Yeah. I like. Okay. There's my embossing with my more muted gold and my splattering with my yellow gold. I like it though. Turned out cute. My take on that sketch, playing with my Studio Calico, which is not a lot, and some of my Fortnite at the Market, but I did play with a bunch of Studio Calico items, so that makes me very happy. And this is just going to go with a bunch of other photos, so I don't really need to add too much else. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.